Welcome to Let's Talk Tech. My name is Ray Cannon, and I'm the Tech Integrationist at New Code Academy, grades K-8. This week, let's take a couple minutes and talk in more detail about computer science. As we begin Think Like a Computer Scientist Month, you might start, or have already been hearing words like logic or tinkering, and wonder what they are and how you can help foster these skills at home. Well, let's start with logic. Logic for computer scientists is predicting and analyzing. The ability to analyze something, then use that knowledge to predict what will be next. This is a very useful skill no matter what you do. For example, I want to go shopping. I currently have 2 eggs left and I need more, but how many? Well, I know my family eats about 6 eggs each week, and I don't plan to go shopping again for 2 weeks, so I can predict that I will need 1 dozen more eggs from the store. I analyzed my family's egg-eating habit and then predicted how many eggs I will need to feed their growing appetites. Next, we have tinkering. Tinkering for computer scientists is changing things to see what happens. This is a skill we do all the time without even realizing it. My granddaughter is 1 year old, and she's starting to play with blocks. My stepdaughter will take a few blocks and put them on top of each other. Then my granddaughter will take them and put them in a different configuration just to see if they will stand or if they'll fall. Then, of course, if they stand, the best part comes, where she can knock them over and start all over again. My dad used to tinker around the garage. I used to play with tinker toys. We all seem to tinker around with something without realizing how much we're learning. So what can you do at home to build these skills? It's easy. Let them play. They don't need to be on a computer to think like a computer scientist. If you have Legos, give them 10 Legos and challenge them to tinker around with them to see what kind of animal or building they can build with them. Puzzles are great for enhancing logic. Picture puzzles, word puzzles, and even some computer puzzling games allow students to analyze a problem, then predict a solution. They are able to test the solution in the puzzle and see if it works. If it doesn't, well, they need to reanalyze and create a new prediction. Now think about how useful these skills are when doing other activities like schoolwork. The ability to approach schoolwork using logic empowers them to try a difficult math problem, or predict the ending of a story based on other stories they've read, or how they could tinker their way through a tricky assignment. As they try new things, they realize that they might not always be successful right away, but if they keep tinkering, they will find the solution that works best for them. Next week, we'll explore more computer science skills. If you have questions about our computer science program at New Code Academy, you can contact me at rcannon@isd271.org, or you can message me through Seesaw. Just look for Ray Cannon. See you next week.